Well, welcome to Time Vault. I'm over here today at his place. I figured I'd stop by. Of course, I'm 1194 video. My buddy Time Vault wanted to check out the truck, so here it is. This is a 55 Ford. It may look old on the outside of the appearance, but everything under it, everything on the interior, everything's brand new. It doesn't have much left to do, just some pieces on the doors, some door trim, but go for it. Walk around, check it out, man.
All right, thanks, sir. Oh, you can keep on talking. Shy guy don't talk too much.
I got some emblems I got to put on there still. These pieces here that you see, the holes, the gold wings, I still have to get those. I'll probably make them. I've got to get the front end emblem. I'll probably get an original tag from 55 to go on the front. There's not much left to really do to it. We're going to be doing a video of a custom rear end, building a rear end for it. We're going to readjust the hood.